What's up, guys? Nick from the Average Biker Garage, back here with a little 2023 year in review for you guys. Just going over everything that happened the last year, motorcycle wise, channel wise, and also kind of getting a game plan around for what's gonna happen in the next year. So as far as 2023 goes, it was an awesome year for motorcycles and me. I built one and a half bikes, not two. I finished the Black Shadow, built Project Blue Balls for the Wild Stallions build. Got the shovel head on the lift, got that on the lift. This one's about done, ready to be sold to someone looking for a cheap cruiser. But as far as building bikes goes, it was great. I had 2 bikes done with limited funds and limited time, hoping to do that and better in 2024. I've got the Wild Stallions build coming up. It starts in February. If you're not following along, the link will be down in the description of this video. So head on over there, give us a follow. We appreciate it. I also have kind of started a small shop out of my garage. I got a big 3-bay garage, and behind me here, behind the camera actually, there are 2 other motorcycles that are due up for some lift time. So it's, once I get done filming this, this one's just got a little bit of finish work to do, and then it's coming off the lift, and I've got another bike getting on there, and you'll see videos about that one coming up. So yeah, motorcycle wise, building at least was very, very good this year. It was the one positive thing this year. Another thing I'm hoping to do more of in 2024 is the podcast. Dude, trying to line up guests is a struggle. I guess I just naively thought that it would be easy to get people to come on and, talk about their small shops or whatever. And sometimes it is. And then other times you get people like, yeah, we'll do it this time, and then all of a sudden you never hear from them again. And you send messages and they're read and not replied. And it'd be great if I had a co-host, because then I could do an episode without a guest, and it'd just be me and the co-host, like the Low Life Chopper podcast does. I love those guys. But yeah, when they don't have guests, they, Rhino and Loctite, just sit there and bullshit with each other, which is great. And I wish I had that luxury, but I don't. So I'm hoping to continue to line up guests here and there. So if you're not subscribed to the podcast feed, go do that. Yeah, and hopefully in 2024 I can get more guests to not leave me on red. Back to what I was saying, I've started a small shop, so I'll post the Facebook page for that down below. So if you could go over there and give me a follow, that'd be great. But yeah, just a small shop. I'm not trying to, it's just out of my garage, and I really want to build bikes for people. But I will do, small shit, oil changes, tires, shit like that. And that's the bike that I've got coming up is kind of a basket case and needing all that stuff. So that's in the plans for 2024 as well. Merch. I have merch. You've probably seen it on a couple of my other videos. but it's not offered to the public yet. So I am technologically retarded. I know we can't say the R word anymore or else we'll get canceled, but I'm really fucking dumb when it comes to computers and shit. I am lucky that I figured out how to clip and chop videos so I can make videos for you guys. But even that's a struggle sometimes. So I've got the big cartel store set up. Hopefully after I post this video, I'll go through and be able to post it in the link to it and all of the other videos that I have. And if you could go buy a t-shirt or a hoodie, they are super cheap. I make like no money off these. I think I have it set up to where the t-shirts are like 15 bucks, and if I make $2 off of them, I would be surprised. So I mean, that's all going to big cartel and Printful and whatnot. I just think it'd be cool if people wore a shirt with my logo on it. So but every little bit helps, you know, keep the dream alive and all that shit. So I will try and figure out how to get that by the time this video drops, so that way if you all want to buy merch, that'd be great. Shows next year. I had a great time attending shows this year. I went to Mama Tried, the Owasso Vintage show, where I debuted the bike, and then Glory Days in Pennsylvania. And that was a great time. Met some awesome people there. I'm hoping to get back to Mama Tried. I don't have my tickets yet, and it is New Year's Eve as I'm recording this, and it's coming up in February. So as much as I'd love to go back to Milwaukee for Mama Tried in February, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it. But I'm hoping to. There's some other shows going on too. A lot of, like, I want to go to Fuel Cleveland this year. The Smoke Out. All the homies are building bikes for the Smoke Out, and I'm jealous that I did not get selected. Super, super proud of the boys, Josh, Cam, Zach, other Josh from North Carolina, JD's Choppers. The boys are doing it, and I'm hopeful. Like, I'm 99% sure I'm going to make the Smoke Out this year, just because I want to see everybody's builds and meet everybody in person there. So if you're going to the Smoke Out, I hope to see you there. Glory Days, I hope to go back to that again. Just Pittsburgh's awesome, and Steel City Blacksmithing, Josh was a great host, even though he got us fucking lost in a city. But was a great host, took us around, took us to the big lookout where you can look out over Pittsburgh, and that was really cool. Even though I didn't get picked to build a bike for the Smoke Out, I'm still building one for, hopefully. I gotta sell this bike first. But I sell this one, then I'll hopefully have a bike to build for the Wild Stallions motorcycle build second annual that we're doing. So I'll be at that show again. Even if I don't build a bike, I'll be at that show because I'm kind of helping out behind the scenes a little bit. Not real sure what I'm doing again, but I'm just a warm body to, you know, press buttons and send emails. So yeah, gonna try Mama Tried. There's a couple of them in the summer that I was looking at. I'm not real sure, but gonna try Mama Tried. Gonna do Owasso Vintage Motorcycle Days, the local one in September here in Angola. The Cruise to the Monument. I will hopefully be there. Or I will be there. I don't know if I have a bike or not, but if I do end up getting the bike for the Owasso show, I will be trailering that down to the Smoke Out too, just to kind of show off my bike, and hopefully catch the attention of all the voters and the bigwigs of Cycle Source that didn't pick me for the build competition. I think it's awesome. I am grateful that I was one of 32 that were emailed to begin with. And like I said, the boys that I listed earlier are heavy hitters, and there was zero chance that I was going to win. But it still would have been cool to build a bike with all the homies. So, but super proud of those guys. Can't wait to meet them down at the Smokeout, and hopefully have my own bike. So, as far as 2023 goes, it can fuck off and kiss my ass. I'm ready for this year to be over. I'm ready for 2024 and what lies ahead. And again, if you've watched this video up to this point, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for following me on Instagram. Thank you for following me. If you follow the Carlin Cycles Facebook page, that's my shop's name, I guess. Thank you. So, and if you haven't subscribed and followed along to any of that shit yet, what are you doing? It's all down here. Follow along, man. Glad you guys are here. Appreciate y'all very much. Here's the 2024, and can't wait to meet you all at some of these shows this year. So thanks again, guys.